Scientists may have uncovered an important part of the biological blueprint for regenerating teeth and the bone that supports them. In 2 studies published in Nature Communications, researchers tracked stem cells in developing mouse teeth and identified 2 distinct cell lineages. The first population, found in the apical papilla at the tip of a growing tooth root, expresses a protein called CXCL12. Guided by WNT signaling, these cells can develop into odontoblasts that form dentin, cementoblasts that cover the root, and, under regenerative conditions, bone-forming osteoblasts. A second population, located in the dental follicle surrounding the tooth, expresses PTHRP. These cells can produce cementoblasts, periodontal ligament fibroblasts, and osteoblasts that build the alveolar bone anchoring the tooth. Their fate appears to depend on tightly controlled hedgehog-foxf signaling. The discovery gives scientists a more precise map of how tooth roots and supporting bone develop. It could eventually support stem cell-based therapies for dental pulp, periodontal tissues, bone, and perhaps natural tooth regeneration. However, the work was conducted in mice, so it is an early mechanistic advance, not yet a treatment available to patients.